I think, my favorite word, and definitely the word for the year, is collaboration. And I feel that if you have something, if you have a business or you're an entrepreneur, and we can meet um, somewhere in the middle and share ideas and collaborate. So collaboration is the key, and I'm so grateful that I'm able to do that with Charmaine and George. Most fun part of the event is meeting uh, the people that came out today to hear this awesome information. There are others that were here that also are collaborating with Generation X, and so just meeting the people and talking to everybody, and hopefully I can sneak a bite. But to me, that's always the fun part is speaking to the attendees.